At the heart of Wisconsin's Polytechnic University in Menominee lies a deep commitment to sustainability and innovation. The University of Wisconsin-Stout, known for its applied learning and industry partnerships, lights a path for other colleges and universities to start their own energy efficiency journeys.
Since being formed in 2001, Focus on Energy has helped more than 2.8 million residents and customers with energy efficient projects. And many of them have happened right here in Menominee at UW-Stout.
UW-Stout's track record with energy efficiency projects speaks for itself. 79 energy saving projects since 2017, including extensive LED lighting upgrades and solar PV installations. These efforts earned more than $272,000 in Focus on Energy incentives. More importantly, the energy saved by all the projects could provide electricity to almost 6,000 Menominee homes.
These projects are the ones that Stout implements that are noticeable. They're noticeable to students, staff. I mean, it's lighting, right? It can be bright, it can be dim, it can be adjusted now. But the projects that some don't see are the ones that can possibly and do save the university a lot of money and a lot of energy. Projects that you work with for weatherization, projects for de-stretch fans in Johnson Fieldhouse, things like that. But it's those type of projects where they go unnoticed, but they are very important to the campus and the vision that UW-Stout has.
The university's commitment doesn't stop at the operational level. As Wisconsin's only university named a U.S. Department of Education Green Ribbon School in 2024, UW-Stout has infused sustainability into both its operations and curriculum, creating a campus-wide culture of environmental stewardship.
Most recently, we've completed our multi-building campus energy project, which included the destratification fans in the Sports and Fitness Center, multiple building envelope weatherization improvements, lighting upgrades to LED, and additional solar panel installations. Ultimately, that project alone saves us over $170,000 a year.
UW-Stout's partnership with Focus on Energy and Xcel Energy has helped the university become a leader in energy efficiency. The university now incorporates green initiatives into all aspects of campus life, from waste reduction and recycling to sustainable transportation options and energy-efficient building upgrades.
So, as y'all know, we're Wisconsin's Polytechnic University. So what does that mean? Everything we do must be applied, and everything we do affects our students. So this is not just simply an investment in energy efficiency for us and projects for our facilities. These improvements help us to educate our students. We're able to show them through these projects what we are doing to meet our goals.
UW-Stout's dedication to sustainability and energy efficiency has not only earned it prestigious awards, but also positioned the university as a model for others to follow. With continued efforts and strong partnerships, UW-Stout is set to meet the challenges of the future head-on, ensuring a better, more sustainable tomorrow for its students, staff, and the wider community.
Like I said at the beginning, it's not one person, it's not one project, it's the team, it's the committees, it's the community, it's our students, it's the state. It's really everybody working together to implement them. And that's really I think that's the example that we need to set so that our community can see that, and then hopefully they'll follow suit.
Congratulations to University of Wisconsin-Stout, a 2024 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award recipient.